Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Next, apply controlled heat to the rear glass edge, 45-60 seconds with a heat gun or hairdryer to soften adhesive. Once done, use a suction cup and a thin pick to lift a small gap, then slide a plastic spudger to separate the panel. Keep screws and shields grouped. Different lengths matter. This first action exposes internals safely, so you don't force components or strip screws. With the rear panel removed, immediately locate and unplug the battery connector. That reduces risk of shorting when you remove other parts. Then, remove shielding screws and gently lift cameras and the midframe. Note connector clips so you can reseat them later. Use a plastic card or picks to pry the battery free from adhesive. Work slowly and use isopropyl if needed to soften residue. Make sure battery tabs aren't torn when free. Lift straight up to avoid stressing nearby cables and connectors. Install the replacement battery by aligning it and gently seating the connector. Do not force it. Once connected, briefly power the phone on to confirm charge and boot behavior. If it starts, power off and proceed. Reinstall shields, cameras, and screws in their original locations using your organized layout. Finally, apply new adhesive to the rear glass, press evenly, and cure with light heat if specified. If the phone won't boot, double-check the battery connector and screw placement. A loose connection is...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.